Hello everyone. In this video, let's talk about lambda function. So lambda is also called as anonymous function. Okay. So what is meant by anonymous function? Anonymous function means it is a function without any name. That is, a nameless function is called as anonymous function. So that function will not have any identity. Okay. So generally for normal functions we will use how we will write a normal function. First we will start with the keyword def followed by the function name, okay, and you will pass the number of parameters like that. But for lambda functions you have to use the keyword lambda. Okay. So see the syntax of this lambda function. So lambda, the keyword, followed by arguments. Here in this arguments you can pass any number of arguments as you wish. Okay. Followed by colon, and you have to write the expression part here. Okay. So always you have to remember that this lambda function can take any number of arguments, but only one expression you have to write here. Always this expression will return an object. Okay. So for normal function, if you consider, see here, if you want to find the square of a number, how you will write by using normal functions? First of all, you will write the keyword def followed by the function name, and here you will write the parameters, right, and a return statement, return as it is a square a into a. So how you will call the function name? Here you will pass the actual parameters, okay, and this return value should be assigned to some variable, and just you will print the value of the variable. So this is the process of how we will write the normal function. Okay. The same square by using lambda function, how I am writing means, see here, lambda, that is the keyword. Okay. Here after the go to syntax, see here. So lambda, after that here what you have to do, you have to pass the arguments. See here a is the argument, right? So that a value here I am writing, colon, and here you have to write the expression. So whatever may be the written expression here you are writing, that expression you have to write here. Okay. So after writing this statement, you have to call this statement, right? You have to call this. So that's why here I am assigning this to some variable x. Okay. So I am just passing the value by using this. So print x of 2. That means now here I am passing for a the value of 2. So the output will be 4. Okay. So what is the main advantage if you see here means, by normal function I am writing here 4 lines of code, and by using lambda, see here just with 2 lines I am finding the square of a number. Okay. That means concise code is possible by using this lambda function. Okay. So if concise code is possible means the readability of the program will be improved, right? So the main advantage of using lambda function is, see here, it reduces the lines of code. That is the first advantage. And the benefit of mainly these lambda functions can be visible by when we use these functions, these lambda functions with map, reduce and filter. These are some of the Python functions. While using lambda in these functions, we can find the main advantage of this lambda. Okay. So in the next video I am going to explain about these functions. So first let me execute the program on this lambda functions by passing different parameters. Now let me show the execution of the lambda function. So go to Python idle, open a new file, so lambda argument, single argument, first I am passing x colon, the expression is x into x. I am going to find the square root of a number. Okay. So I am naming this statement with some variable. Suppose for example a equal to. Okay. Now I am going to call this function a of some value you have to pass 5 for example. Okay. So like a of 5, this is the function call of the lambda function. Okay. So save the program. Now run the code. So the output is 25. As x takes the value of 5, x into x, okay, that is 25. Now the lambda function, here in this lambda function, now I am passing two arguments, x comma y, okay. Suppose if I want to add these two values, x plus y, this is the expression, and here I have to pass two values, 5 comma 10, okay. So now run this module. So the output is 15, okay, as x and y takes the values of, for x it takes 5, for y it takes 10. So x plus y, the expression is x plus y, 5 plus 10, that is 15, okay. So like this you can pass any number of arguments here as you wish, but after colon you have to write the expression that should be only a single expression, okay. Always this expression will return an object. So here if you want you can pass 3 arguments, okay, x comma y comma z. Suppose if I want to find the average of 3 numbers, x plus y plus z, by 3, okay. So here we have to pass 3 values, 5 comma 10 comma 15, suppose, okay. 3 values I have passed for these 3 variables. So now run the code. So see here the output is 10.0, because here the output is floating point number, because here I have used a division operator. So in Python 3 always this division operator will return a floating point value, that is why I got the output as a floating point number, okay. So like this we have to use the lambda functions by following this syntax: lambda argument list colon followed by expression. You can pass any number of arguments as you wish, but the expression should be only a single expression, and always that expression will return an object, okay. So that's about the lambda function.